Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple process of setting or changing your profile picture in the IMDb app on your Android phone. Having a personalized profile image helps others recognize your account and adds a personal touch. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon or go to the Account section. Then, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Edit icon. After that, select the Change Image option to proceed. Then, choose an image from your phone's gallery that you want to use as your profile picture. Now press and hold the selected image until you see options appear. After that, click on Select at the top right corner to confirm your choice. Finally, tap on the Save button located at the bottom of the screen to update your profile picture. That's all there is to it. Changing your IMDb profile picture on Android is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.